Welcome to Eshman Little Sister. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the door seal on SES113 B-type and N-type autoclaves. Before you start, make sure you have everything ready. The autoclave should be securely placed on a clean, dry and flat surface and be cool enough to touch the metal parts of the inner door comfortably. The door seal is essential for the safe and effective operation of your autoclave. To keep it in good condition, you need to clean it regularly, preferably between every cycle and at least on a daily basis. Periodically, you'll need to replace it as it deteriorates through normal wear and tear or becomes damaged. As a rule, you should expect to replace the door seal every 500 cycles. If you notice steam or water leaking from the door seal during a cycle, or if your B-type autoclave fails its T1 leak test, before you rush to replace the seal, just give it a clean with an Eshman recommended cleaning and disinfection wipe. 9 times out of 10, the leak is caused by dirt or oil contamination and can be simply resolved with a quick clean. Sometimes, however, cleaning alone will not be sufficient and you will need to replace the seal. This is a straightforward process that you can do yourself using an Eshman door seal fittings kit. Our door seal fittings kit includes an instruction leaflet, 4 door seals, which in many practices will be sufficient for a whole year, 2 spare spring washers, and a 10mm spanner. All you need in addition to this is a pack of Eshman recommended cleaning and disinfection wipes and your regular TST or Helix test device. When the autoclave is cool, you can start to replace the door seal. First, turn the autoclave off. Now use the spanner to unscrew the nut. Then remove the spring washer and the large washer. Place the washers and nuts safely to one side as you will need them later. Grip the edges of the seal, place your thumbs against the disc and remove the door seal assembly. Make a mental note how it fits together. The broader edge of the seal sits on the rear of the disc, and the indent on the disc and the broad edge of the seal fit snugly in the matching indent on the pressure door. Note also the small groove that runs around the pressure door. When fitted correctly, the thin corner edge of the door seal will seat itself in this groove. Remove the door seal from the disc. The old door seal can be disposed of in your general waste. Now for some cleaning. Take an Eshman recommended cleaning and disinfection wipe and clean all around the chamber face. Pay special attention to the lower part where the dirt tends to build up. The door seal connects with the chamber face, so this should form part of your daily cleaning routine. Next, clean the pressure door plate. Again, focus on the lower part and the area that connects around with the door seal assembly. Finally, clean both sides of the door seal retaining disc. Take a new door seal and fit it around the retaining disc with the broad edge of the seal to the rear of the disc. Take care to ensure the seal is fitted smoothly and evenly all around the disc with no snags or bumps. Mount the assembled parts onto the central bolt with the 2 vent holes positioned at the top like 2 eyes on a face. Position the large washer so that the sharp edge sits flush on the retaining disc. Next, replace the spring washer and the nut. Secure the nut using the spanner, turning the spanner clockwise until it stops. Do not over-tighten the nut. Next, Check you have a good even fit with no bumps. Remember that little groove the edge of the door seal has to fit into? If the seal is uneven, just push it in. Loosen the nut to reposition the seal if you need to, and then tighten it again afterwards. And make sure the two eyes are still in the correct position, aligned with the test ports. Finally, wipe all around the seal with an Eshman recommended cleaning and disinfection wipe. Now you're ready to run a test cycle to verify that the seal is functioning correctly. On the SES113 N-type, simply run cycle number 1. That's a 134-degree N-type cycle. Place an Eshman TST strip on a tray alongside your instruments. At the end of the cycle, check the strip to ensure the correct color change, proving that the sterilization parameters have been achieved. On SES113 B-type autoclaves, the advice is slightly different. After cleaning and checking the fit of the door seal, run a T1 test cycle. This will check the integrity of the chamber and confirm there are no leaks. When the T1 test is successful, follow this up with cycle 5. That's a 134-degree B-type cycle. Place a helix test device on a tray alongside your instruments. At the end of the cycle, remove the strip from the helix device and check for the correct color change, proving that sterilization parameters have been achieved on a vacuum cycle. And that's it. We hope this guide has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more guides and tips, and contact us if you need further help or advice.